In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Miro. If you've ever felt the need to make your Miro boards more visually engaging, adding an image can be a game changer, enhancing both the aesthetics and understanding of your board's content. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of incorporating images into your Miro workspace, making sure your boards are both informative and visually compelling. First things first, ensure you're logged into your Miro account and open the Miro board where you'd like to add an image. It's crucial to have a specific board open, as Miro is organized in a way that clusters your imagination into these individual boards. Once you have your board in front of you, simply take hold of the image file you wish to use from your computer. This could be any relevant image, such as a graph, a diagram, or an illustrative photo that supports the theme of your board. Here's the magic part. Drag the image from your File Explorer directly onto your Miro board. This is a straightforward action where Miro really shows its user-friendly nature. You'll notice that as you drag the image over, Miro automatically recognizes the file, making it immediately part of your board. There's no need to go through complicated upload menus or commands. Just drag and drop. After you've successfully added your image, let's look at how you can modify it to suit your board's layout. First, to adjust the size, click on the image and look for the small squares that appear at the corners. By clicking and dragging these corners, you can resize your image to perfectly integrate with the other elements on your board. This flexible resizing ensures that your image fits well with your overall design without overwhelming the other content. Not only can you resize, but you can also move the image to any spot on the board. Simply click and hold on your image, dragging it to its new home. This functionality allows you to strategically place images for optimal impact and flow of information. Beyond just moving and resizing, Miro provides some handy tools for further customizing your image. By clicking on the image, you'll see an image toolbar appear, offering options for cropping, rotating, or editing as needed. Cropping lets you focus on specific parts of an image, which can be especially useful if only certain details are relevant to your discussion. Rotation can be beneficial when your image needs alignment with other board elements, or for adding a creative twist. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly enhance your Miro boards with images, delivering a more engaging and informative experience. Every board you create in Miro can now reflect not just your ideas, but also your creativity. Thank you for watching, and I hope your next Miro session is as visually vibrant as you imagine.